Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through common maintenance for your Ecovacs Deebot X11 Omni. If you're interested in the X11, a link to it will be in the video description. Starting with the top of the vacuum, looking at the navigational bumper up here in this channel, make sure it's free from any obstructions, pop open this cover, and then we have access to our dustbin. Everything's washable and replaceable here in the dustbin. They have care instructions. The key here is you can wash and rinse everything out, but give it plenty of time to dry. Like 24 hours would be great in the sunlight. We can take the filter out. It's in multiple pieces, just like so. Wash and rinse everything. And then we can re-establish it here. Snap it back in. And then we can take this piece and put it back on in the dustbin as well. And then pop that right back in the vacuum. Moving along to the side of the vacuum, we have our sensors and suite up front in the bumper. So you can just wipe those down as needed. We'll look along the side. This is our dust outlet. This is how it self-empties. So you can always peek in there to see if there's anything you need to clean. Some sensors on the back and our removable dirty water tank here. So let me show you that. This just pops open. So you can rinse that out. There's a little tiny filter too you can rinse out. Then that seals shut and then it just pops right back in place on the vacuum. And then moving along, we have our true edge mopping system. We'll get to that in a minute. And then underneath, or I should say on this side, underneath the bumper kind of, embedded in is another sensor to keep an eye on. And then we have our side brush here, which leads us to the underside, where we have multiple cliff sensors to wipe down. Detangle the side brush as needed. The main brush rollers are movable and replaceable. You can cut away hair that might build up on the sides or directly in the middle. It does have a detangling comb, which should help. And that's removable for cleaning. And then that just kind of pops right back in place, snaps right in, and then we can take our main brush roller, same thing, and then this will just clip right back in. And then down here we have a scraper that's removable. And on the mopping system, what's pretty cool is the mop itself, you can use the app to eject it. So we'll do that right now. Let me flip it over. We'll go into the app. So in the app, top right-hand corner, hit the settings gear icon. And then down at the very bottom, it's the second icon from the left, roller mop, release, retract. So now we have it coming out right here. And if you look at it, there's a little blue button that we can press. And then we can gently pull the whole mop roller out. So you can wash, replace, clean this as needed, put a new one in, showing you the underside right here with it all removed. You could wipe down in there, and then you could just take it. That just kind of presses right back in. And then we can take our cover, and same thing, that just snaps right back in. And then back in the app, we can go ahead and retract it back. And there we go. So that's it. That's how you're going to care, clean, and maintain the Ecovacs Deebot X11 Omni.